G'day guys, welcome back to KEEGZYS Toolshed. I'm hot, I'm wet, it's Australian summer and I'm unboxing a fan. Gotta cool down somehow in this heat. Any way you can find to cool down in the Aussie sun is just what you gotta do, and there's no better way to cool down than to do another unboxing video for you. So here we are. Unbag. We've got a Makita cordless fan today to unbox for you, and then I'm going to turn it on and test out how good it is at cooling me down, because I'm sweating like a pig up in here. I'm in New South Wales, January, sun, hot, sweat. Unbox. I can't unbox this one quick enough. I'm dying. Oh. Alright, so it's got your classic two side tabs with a lid, little front latch sort of box model. Plovers are going after it, they want to cool down too, don't blame them. And voila, there it is folks, with Makita fan, instructions. Not a lot of packaging, sometimes you get styrofoam, not this time. There's instructions and warranty all there for us. Maybe in winter I'll return it and get a heat gun instead or something. Definitely plastic. Probably just the bag I'm smelling, that plastic, but the fan itself, yeah. It's got you can tilt it and you can turn it. It's got some settings there. I'll put some power on it and just watch it go, and we'll see how long she lasts for. Hopefully till the end of summer. Makita battery. I used to put the wrong battery in them. The red ones don't work. I learnt the hard way. So I'll turn it on and see how long that lasts. I hope you can see it there. Power. It's got a few settings. I've put it on the top setting. Is that making my voice go funny? I love the way that fans make your voice change. It sounds sick. Probably use this fan in the rest of my KEEGZYS Toolshed videos from now on, just because it makes you sound like a sick cunt. I love the way it sounds. I'm just gonna leave it on and talk about it until the battery goes flat, okay? It's a 6 amp hour battery, but that doesn't mean it'll last 6 hours. I might just sit here. I'm already feeling cool, like very cool. Hopefully, so I'm just in the park, there's people going for walks and stuff around me. Yeah. Oh, it's like an air conditioner. Believe me, I can take this anywhere. Take it to the movies, the beach, camping, the park. It's great. I'll let you guys know when the back. Maybe I'll do like a cut edit and start filming again when it's flat, because that'll be a waste of everyone's time if I just sit here. No one will watch the video till the end, especially not me. That just stopped. The battery died. It's like, I reckon 17 weeks, 17 hours roughly, will give or take. It's the next day. I've had a cold, hungry night. This thing is freezes you. I've had to rug up, but it's a good bang for your buck battery life. I had it on the medium, the middle mode there, medium fanning. It's freezing outside already. 32 degrees the car thermometer tells me, guys. And in here I've got the heater cranking just to work against the coldness of the fan. So yeah, that was a rough night and morning. I'm warming up already actually. I'm just going to turn the heater off in the car now that this has stopped. Warmed up pretty quickly in here. So yeah, so concludes my unboxing of the Makita cordless fan. I wasn't too happy with the amount of fans I had liking my channel on the YouTube, so went and bought my own extra. So there it is, a Makita cordless fan. You know, it's good how it's cordless. I'll take that around me all summer long. Yeah, that's just a beautiful investment, I reckon. The box has been good, real easy to open. I'll probably use that for some storage further down the track. And yeah, hope you guys have a good summer, what's left of it. And I know I will. I'll be able to stay cool. The angel opens her eyes, a pale blue colored eye.